Let me set the scene. You've worked hard, saved up, and finally reached retirement. Everything looks great for you. But what about your spouse? Today, we're tackling one of the most overlooked retirement planning mistakes by DIY planners: failing to plan for spousal income needs. Stick around because we're going to break this down with a little humor, some hard truths, and practical tips to ensure your retirement plan works for both of you. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need a wake-up call. Sharing is caring, people. So, why do DIY planners miss this critical step? Single income focus. Most DIY planners only crunch the numbers for themselves and forget their spouse might outlive them. Spoiler alert, women statistically live longer than men, overestimating pensions and Social Security. Pensions might not transfer fully, and Social Security survivor benefits are often less than expected. Assuming assets will magically last, sure that 401k looks great now, but if one spouse needs extra care or expenses, it could dwindle fast. And then there's good old denial. It'll all work out. Folks, hope is not a financial strategy. Here's what happens when you don't plan for your spouse. Income gap. Your spouse's income might drop significantly after you're gone. Increased stress. The last thing your spouse needs is to worry about money while grieving. Lifestyle changes. Without a plan, your spouse might have to downsize or make sacrifices. But I left them my golf clubs. Great, because nothing says financial security like a set of used Callaways. Let's talk numbers. When one spouse passes away, here's what changes. Social Security. The survivor gets the higher of the two benefits, but not both. Translation: income drops. Pension reductions. Many pensions only pay 50% or nothing to surviving spouses. Healthcare costs. If your spouse was on your employer's plan or Medicare premiums change, it can get expensive. Wait, you mean my spouse might have to live on half the income we planned for? Yes, and that's if they're lucky. Let's highlight the most common blunders. No survivor benefits. Election. Many people choose the higher monthly pension payout and skip survivor benefits. Not adjusting investments. DIYers often don't adjust their portfolios for spousal needs post-retirement. Overlooking healthcare. A surviving spouse might need long-term care or additional health coverage. Failing to communicate. Not discussing finances with your spouse is like planning a road trip without a map. But my spouse doesn't like talking about money. Well, neither does my cat. But I still budget for her kibble. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Here's how to plan for spousal income needs like a pro. Understand Social Security. Calculate the survivor benefit and adjust your plan accordingly. Choose survivor benefits wisely. If you have a pension, don't automatically take the higher payout. Consider the survivor's future. Build a joint emergency fund. Plan for unexpected expenses, not just the expected ones. Use life insurance. A term or whole life policy can replace lost income for your spouse. Plan for longevity. Assume your spouse will live into their 90s, because they might. And remember, this isn't just about numbers, it's about peace of mind. Here's a tip. Don't wait until retirement to have the money talk. Start now. Share your retirement goals. Discuss potential challenges. Plan together. It's a partnership, not a solo project. But what if we argue? Congratulations, you're human. Just make sure the argument ends with a plan, not just pizza delivery. Let's compare two couples. Prepared Pam and Smart Sam. They elected pension survivor benefits, had life insurance, and created a joint budget. When Sam passed, Pam continued living comfortably. Clueless Carl and overwhelmed Olivia. Carl skipped survivor benefits and never communicated his plans. Olivia struggled to make ends meet after he passed. Which couple do you want to be? Thought so. There are so many tools to help you plan. Social Security calculators. Use them to estimate survivor benefits. Financial advisors. They're not just for the ultra-rich, they can help anyone. Insurance policies. Review what you have and adjust as needed. And if you're a spreadsheet person, well, bless your heart. Retirement planning isn't just about you. It's about the life you've built with your spouse and ensuring their future is secure. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone you know who's planning for retirement. Together, we can help couples retire with confidence and dignity. Thanks for watching, and here's to a financially secure future for you and your better half. See you next time.